people say using ChatGPT makes you a worse programmer, that's like saying using Google Maps makes you bad at driving. No, bro, it just means you don't enjoy getting lost anymore. Now, let's be honest, ChatGPT is not the problem. The problem is how you're using it. If your entire coding strategy is copy, paste, run, pray, then yes, you are slowly becoming a worse programmer. Not because of AI, but because you've turned your brain into a loading spinner. You're not thinking, you're just hoping the code works. And when it breaks, you're stuck staring at the error like it personally betrayed you. But here's the other side nobody talks about. When you use ChatGPT like a senior developer sitting next to you, asking why this approach works, what alternatives exist, and how this will break in production, your learning speed goes crazy. You stop wasting time on boilerplate, syntax hunting, and Stack Overflow rabbit holes. You spend more time actually understanding systems, logic, and trade-offs. That's not dependency, that's productivity. Think about it like this. A beginner uses ChatGPT like autopilot. A good developer uses it like GPS. A great developer uses it like a co-pilot who can make mistakes and they know when to ignore it. If you don't know basics like loops, data structures, APIs, or how debugging works, AI will expose you, not save you. But if your fundamentals are strong, ChatGPT becomes a force multiplier. Same brain, more output. The scary truth is not that AI will replace programmers. The truth is AI will replace programmers who never learned to think. Because AI doesn't understand context, users, edge cases, or business logic. It doesn't sit in meetings, it doesn't take responsibility when prod goes down at 2 a.m. You do, and that's why humans stay in the loop. So no, using ChatGPT doesn't make you a worse programmer. Using it blindly does. Use it to explain, refactor, review, and challenge your thinking, not to replace it. Learn the basics, then let AI help you move faster. That's how you stay relevant in 2026. The goal was never to write more code. The goal was to solve better problems. Subscribe.